don't usually cuss on camera, but I'm upset. That would be a $2,500 car in California. It's not even rusted.
They had it stored, I guess it was Steve's. There's a backstory on this car. You have to ask Steve. Steve knows. Steve's kind of hurt.
This is a Turd.
Yeah, go.
I'll go around so slow, it's good.
Fuck it.
Dude, it's soft.
Man, Lieutenant Callie's taking over. We got D-Rah passenger. We finna get swung in the Turd bird, man. Whole lot of.
Give me the hash, I got the cash. Terps in the bag, watch how we smoking. While the boys got me high, we floating. Terps in the beamer, we coasting. Wish you could taste what we posting. Coke kid whipping a potion. Give me the hash, I got the cash. Terps in the bag, watch how we smoking. While the boys got me high, we floating. Terps in the beamer, we coasting. Wish you could taste what we posting. Coke kid.
I knew we had to save this thing after she blew up for something dumb. Here we are. This is hilarious.
Why is there no road? No.
Hey Steve, will you hold the wheel for me while I drive?
Yeah, I got you.
Ooh, you can't just let him go like that.
Hey, yo, you ain't supposed to be on your phone, bro. You're supposed to be watching your phone. Yo, what the hell's going on, man?
Oh my god.
He pulled the e-brake? Oh, shit. Hey, what's going on? Hey, bro, we're late for work.
Yo, we gotta get to the Big Indian, man.
Yo, get to the Big Indian, go!
Load it up, dude.
I mean, I know.
50% Turd, 50% bird. See? You see?
70-30. I wasn't in enough.
70-30 is
Earth
it's more
science.
bird than
They
Turd?
didn't mention that in Earth science.
More turd than it is bird.
You know, I never learned about the bird, but I feel like there's a lot of things they try to not teach you about, like Bigfoot.
History books are full of lies.
Birds don't chirp while they fly.
Seems a lot easier in practice, I won't lie.
So essentially, we're getting thrown out too.
Yeah, unfortunately.
I mean, I knew that was trash.
They
But
said we were getting canned.
yeah, I knew we were trash, but jeez.
Damn, I knew the outfit, the hat, the
This is fucking trash out.
God. Alright, what to do, everybody? It's Dr. Brokeleg. I got Callie, man, Steve, Nicky, my boy. Let's get it in, yo.
We're doing this
Rock
thing.
that
That thing totally fucking sucked at me.
Oh, it all just came out.
Man.
Oh, the chance is good.
We can mark that out.
Can I have that? And the floors are so rotted, it just folded in on itself. That was nuts.
You let me drive it and I don't worry about it.
Its final resting place is here at the Big Indian.
Like, subscribe, guys. Sir, you never know what's gonna happen.
Get him to salvage it. Now Nicky has just took it to the next level.